What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my canal. I got Bayo here with me. Huh? So today I'm doing Bayo's makeup. But first, I'm gonna get Liddy. Then we're gonna do it. Let me see. Pass it. Where's the lighter? Because somebody requested. Somebody requested. They wanted me to do your makeup, right?
Because my canvas is just so beautiful. Oi. Hola.
What? Wait, do you have
on my right cheek?
What is that?
Exfoliator.
For what?
I had hella blackheads, so I'm trying to take it.
What the hell?
Look at me. Oi. Is that? With you? You're silly.
Do you have an ashtray?
Yours.
The big one up there? Pues pásanos. Here, let's go. Oh, two.
Oh, on your chin?
They keep coming.
Everything, dude. Everything covers it.
Well, I don't do much, so what the fuck does everything mean?
Maybe we use the same mask. Oh.
Esa. Okay, apágale, ahorita vamos. What kind of you want?
A chamomile.
Well, you guys let me know when to play.
Put some honey.
Some honey.
You
I
guys
don't know.
let me know when to play it.
Honeytail Yonkers.
Okay?
Follow Honeytail Yonkers on Yeah, it's Honeytail Yonkers. I have to fucking remember this shit.
There's not an underscore?
No, there's no underscore.
When the fuck did I take out the underscore? I don't even know my fucking name.
Bah.
Alright, here.
Where's my guara? Oh.
But she doesn't get off of it.
She watches novela like all the time. Like she's
whatever she's doing, she's always watching novela.
Do you?
Oh my god, I got.
Wait, do you have honey?
Honey and some other honey that my mom has.
Some hoola. Dude, wait, it is. I have a big ass bote like this big.
Okay.
That's not that big.
Wow.
So, I'm gonna start doing her makeup. I'm gonna surprise you guys because I still don't even know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover in this bitch. Right. You're eating chocolate.
Chocolate.
I do. Another one won't hurt nobody. So first, I'm taking Benefit's Professional Matte Rescue, just a little bit. And this is what I'm going to start off to prime the face. I'm focusing this all over the face. Then I'm taking Benefit's the Professional Primer. And this, I'm going to focus mainly on the T-zone so it could smooth out everything. Using Tarte's Shape Tape in shade medium. This is what I'm using to shape the bottom of the brow. And I'm going to use this to prime the whole eyelid. Now I'm just using a Real Techniques sponge. It's one of those little mini sponges. And I'm using it to blend out the concealer all around the eyelid, just so it could be smooth and the eyeshadows go on smoothly. And I'm using this airspun powder to set only under the brow, not all over the lid, just under the brow. I'm using Morphe's 3503 eyeshadow palette and taking that orange color, I'm patting it first only on the crease. I'm just using a patting motion. Taking this lighter shade from the palette, we're going to use it to blend out the dark orange that we just put on the crease. blend out the liquid eyeliner right after you put it on, because once it's dry it's going to be really hard to blend out. But then that's why we use either a black eyeshadow or a dark brown eyeshadow to really blend out the eyeliner. I'm mixing these two light shades to highlight the face. For foundation, I'm using Tarte's Foundcealer in shade medium and Too Faced Born This Way in warm beige. However, it was a little bit too dark for her, so I ended up mixing Too Faced Born This Way in shade vanilla. Then I'm mixing these two darker shades to contour the whole face. I'm using it to contour the forehead, to contour the cheeks, I contour the nose and the jawline. For concealer, I'm using Juvia's Place in shade 20 and Tarte's Shapetape in shade medium. I mix both of them and I use them to conceal the forehead, the chin, the under eye. Airspun's loose powder in Naturally Neutral, and I use this powder to bake. I bake the under eyes, the forehead, the chin, the nose. Then I'm taking Cover FX pressed powder in shade G60. I use this just for extra coverage and I set the whole face. I use Benefit's Hoola bronzer to contour the whole face, and what I like to do is that I like to pat it on first. I don't really swipe it or like blend it on the cheek and stuff, because I feel like with patting it you really get the color and it blends out smoother. So right here I'm just dusting off the baking powder. At first I'm just packing it down so the product can really get in there, and then just slightly swiping off the excess. Well. Yeah, you're done.
Well, guys, this is the finished look.
So we are now done with the video. We're done doing her makeup. I'm gonna get close up right now and show you guys the look. Give us a little some. Hi. Hi. I ended up curling her hair too. You know, we gave her
after the cut.
You know, after the cut, we had to style it a little bit. You know, get your greñas going for once. All right, let me see the eyes. Let me get. You guys see, it's a little smoky moment.
Wearing layer right here.
Oh yeah, we're wearing layer. Cajeta.
Oh,
cajeta. Cajeta. It's cajeta. Alright guys, well, make sure to follow Bayo.
Like, subscribe.
She's looking for some sunchos now. Like and subscribe the video.
For the cup.
What?
Rita's looking.
Hi Rita.
Great.
My mom.
Paint.
Sorry.
But yeah, don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe.
Subscribe to
Follow
the
us on
channel.
Instagram.
Follow us.
Snapchat.
Follow this gal right here.
Stay tuned for her IG pics that she's gonna post.
Oh, follow us. Stay
Gotta
tuned.
go.
Bye. Sancho's are calling.
Oh yeah.